get ready. We're about to do some food. Follow that hashtag right there at my Instagram, and you'll be able to see every time I cook, so you guys can know what's coming up next. Okay, follow and subscribe.
We are about to do something very interesting. So I'm trying to not eat too much meat. So I'm going to do like not a legume, but you know, trying to see what we can do with this. What I have. And let's see. So I have this here, which is celery stall, whatever you call it, celery. We have carrots, and we have okra, which is kalaloo in Creole. And then we have this here. I forgot the name, but you guys should figure it out. And then I have not lettuce, but spinach, whatever they call it. Not spinach, but I forgot. It looked like lettuce, but yeah. Comment below if you know what the name is. But yeah, I'm going to be doing something tasty with this, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and can't wait for the end result so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to be cutting this celery. Cut it like that, and you'll see the results. And right now, technically, I have my water boiling with my olive oil and salt, waiting it for it to be boiled so I can put my things inside. Alright then, here we go. So they are cut, and I'm going to work on the next item, which I still have more, so I'm going to cut them and then work on the carrots, and then I'm going to work on the other stuff. Next is carrots, and I'm going to clean them. And I'm going to take out this rough skin out of them. And then I'll take them out, and I'll show you guys how it looks like when I take out the rough skin out, okay? So we got this part in and done. And I'm going to add some potatoes also. So when you finish shedding the skin, this is how it looks. So right now I'm going to chop them, cut them like I cut those, and we're going to move on to the next thing. What I'm doing, I'm cutting the okra in half, and this is how it's gonna look like. This is freshing, yes. So, yep. I think now I remember the name. It's cabbage. So I'm gonna chop this cabbage into a lot of pieces so I can make it boil. And this is how it looks with the okra floating on top and the carrots and all that stuff. But yep, let's see. So here's my chopped cabbage. I'm gonna wash it with vinegar. So you have to take off any excess dirt or whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean it up with vinegar and water and call it a day. I'm gonna put in my boiling thing, and yep, that's what we're gonna do. Hold up. I'm gonna use white vinegar. If you're wondering, here's the gallon. Timashin vinegar. Whatever. Alright, later. What I'm gonna do now is clean my potatoes and take out these weird looking things out of them, and then take off the skin, cut them in half, and I'm gonna make them boiled inside of the, you know what I'm doing. Just so you guys can, so you can see this is how it looks like, and it's very interesting. I'm gonna put seasoning and everything, so I'll get back to that later. So I just put in potatoes, and I cut them in by two, half, so there's like 4 in there now. But when it get a little bit soft, I'm gonna take them out so they don't like smash all over the place. So yeah, and okay, so I'll be doing this. I think it's parsley. I think this is parsley. I think it is, but yeah, I'm gonna use that now. So yeah. Yes, this is parsley, and I'm gonna clean them, and I'm gonna take some of the dead leaves out of them, and then we're gonna cut them just a little bit, and then wash them, and we're gonna put them inside the boiling. So this is how it looks when I add this in, parsley inside of it. So let's just gonna let this boil, sit inside here. Yep. I wish I had spinach. If I had spinach, then awesome, super green and everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna add my seasoning. I'm gonna add tomato paste to make this look as you know, legume-ish kind of type way. I don't know how to say legume in English, but I'm trying my best so you guys can understand. Yeah, but we want to get as healthy as we can, get those the vegetables in our body, and yeah, eating healthy. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of these. I'm not gonna add garlic, but I am surely going to be adding garlic powder because that's so good and it's like done, like really. So let's see, I'm gonna probably take some of these seasoning I don't usually use and all-purpose just to give it a little bit more flavor. I love flavor in food, like it is so important. Oh, let's just cut it here so you guys can see what's going on. Here is some of the results, and I'm trying to see if I can go buy some spinach so I can put it in here so it can be looking all good and stuff. Might eat with my mother, you never know. So I just went to go buy me spinach and I just put some spinach inside of this, and don't you see how lovely this is? We're gonna do some mimela, some cornmeal, and do it, and so we can eat it with it. So trying to be healthy, and this is very simple, nothing difficult. There's no meat in here. We're trying to back off with meat a little bit, so yeah, try to be healthy. Healthy is a longer life. Hope you guys love it. So if you want to see the end results, here we go. Here is how the legume will look like. Okay, so hopefully you guys have all the instructions. If you want to know more details, comment below and I will give you. And I will be eating it with my meal. This is cornmeal. It's very easy to do. I'll probably do a separate video for you guys to know how to do this. And it tastes wonderful. So just try it out and you guys can know what you guys think. And I'm going to end the video right here and there. Remember to subscribe.